can picture the flowers. That's pretty though. I'm getting hit with all different kinds of things. What in the world? Whoa! Dead people. These. Oh my. Yeah. But I will say, visor down, it doesn't like resonate in my helmet anymore. It's like a different tone. So realistically, visor down is honestly better than the KO, because the KO would just like reverberate in my helmet the whole time, especially when I'm just cruising around like this. It was horrible. But this, it just sounds like there's an engine below me. I feel like that's more of a helmet thing than anything. But yeah, overall it sounds less clean of a sound, more raw, rowdy. It's not very smooth sounding. What I did want to try was like a full straight pipe, or the high flow cat one, but the full straight pipe with like one of those longer exhausts, like an acro exhaust. What? Look at that! Oh, yo! But yeah, like an Akrapovic exhaust with a full system. That probably sounds so smooth. It feels great. 78 degrees. Slightly cloudy, just the sun though. Man, I love this seat. Like my arms hurt faster than my butt hurts. My back is chilling. I feel great. Is that a Porsche? Is it a Porsche? That is so sick. That is so sick. It's so loud. Not a bad shift. See, I don't wave on the highway because like you never actually get like a wave back, you know. I hate when like one ear is folded and the other isn't, and then you gotta like fix it somehow. Oh, there we go again, through a red light. What? Bro, that is sick. Man. Oh, you know what? They're probably at the gas station. Bro. Yo, I would have turned around so bad. I guarantee you they're there. I just have to see if they're there. If not, then I can just go home. I don't know how much battery I have left. And I hope this audio isn't too bad. Oh, green light! Frick! It's probably been green for like so long though. Oh. So now I really gotta just sit here and wait for so... I don't... Okay. Dude, if they're at this gas station, I'm a freak. That's so sick. I can't, man. I should, but no. Alright, so we saw that biker gang, got too scared. As typical me does. As typical me does. Guess we go home. Oh, man. There was like an R6 in that group thing. I think. Something. Can I just like skip the line? Oh yeah, that cold air is really coming in. Ain't no doing no wheelies, brother. Not on no 450. Bro, it dropped 7 degrees in an hour. That's crazy. Well, anyway, guys, I guess I'll conclude this video here if I post this. I did record another Pure Sound earlier during the same video, so I'll probably post that after this one. Maybe before this one. Probably before this one. My night video should be up now for about an hour. Probably got 0 views, but that's fine. That is fine. But anyway, guys, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace!